Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views update for August 10, 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from last trading session yesterday. Markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors bought shares worth about rupees 370 crores. Domestic investors sold the shares worth about 85 crores. We have quarterly results update for a few of the stocks. Bajaj Electricals posted a 98% year-on-year increase in Bajaj Electricals posted a 98% year-on-year increase in its net profit for the June quarter, rupees 440.5 crores, on the back of strong growth in its consumer durable businesses. MRF Thursday posted 144.75% rise in profits to 260.74 crores for the quarter ending June 2008. But MRF still seemed to have missed the estimates. Eicher Motor quarter one profit rises 25.4% to 576.2 crores versus 459.6 crores. Revenue increases 27.4% to 2,547.8 crores versus 2,000.6 crores as of last year. Hindustan Copper quarter one profit rises sharply to 35.3 crores versus 10.3 crores. Revenue increases 9.2% to 421.6 crores versus 386 crores as of last year. Aurobindo Pharma quarter one profit falls 12.1% to 445.6 crore versus 518.3 crores. Revenue jumps 15.5% to rupees 4,250 crores versus 3,678.7 crores as of last year. Jindal Steel and Power quarter one profit is at 180.8 crores versus loss of 387.1 crore. Revenue surges 70.5% to 9,665.4 crores versus 5,668.2 crores as of last year. Deccan Cements quarter one profit slips 0.4% to 113.4 crores versus 113.9 crores. Revenue rises 19.2% to 161.7 crores versus 135.6 crores as of last year. Let's have a look at Nifty from yesterday. Nifty opened at 11,493 and closed at 11,470. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,495 and a low of 11,454. The market swung by about 50 points. The markets closed by about 20 points up from the previous day close of 11,450. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,451 and 11,436. Resistance levels for Nifty is around 11,488 and 11,511. Support levels at this point of time for Bank Nifty is around 28,184 and 28,044. Resistance levels for Bank Nifty is around 28,407 and 28,499. We'll have a look at long build-up. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, because of which the price and the open interest both of them increase. We have Axis Bank, which has had 7.84% change in open interest and a percentage change of 4.15% in its price, which is 24.7 rupees. Now currently trading at 621.5 rupees 5 paise. That's a very significant number. Coal India has a change in open interest above 5% and also a percentage change of 1.49% in its price. ICICI Bank, Bharat Petroleum, Vedanta, Ultratech, all of them seem to have notable change of interest in its percentage change of interest in its open positions. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening long positions in these stocks. Long unwinding happens when people close their long positions, because of which there is a price decrease and the open interest also decreases. Cipla has had a change in open interest of 7.12% and a percentage change of 2.12%. Hero MotoCorp has a change of 3.81% in its open interest and a percentage change of 5.54%. We also have Bajaj Auto in this list. The rest of the shares had marginal change in open interest as well as marginal change in its price, except Titan, which has a change of about 2.11% in its price, which is 19 rupees. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are exiting the long positions that they have in these stocks. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, because of which the price decreases but the open interest increases. Hindustan Petroleum has a change in open interest of 7.67%, and the price has decreased by about 0.8%. We have Maruti Suzuki with 7.22% difference in change in open interest. We have three stocks which has a change in open interest of above 5%, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Lupin and HDFC Bank Limited. We have about 3-4 stocks above the 4% mark as well, as the Entertainment, IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra Limited. So if you're trading in these stocks, people are opening short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, because of which there is a marginal price increase but the open interest decreases. We have Adani Port with a change in open interest of 4.2%, and Wipro with a change in open interest of 1.9%, Mahindra & Mahindra with a change of 1.77% in open interest, and Bharti Infratel with a change of 1.66% in its open interest. TCS, which appears on the list, also has a change in open interest of 1.66%, but there's a very marginal change in its price, which is upon 0.02%. If you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are exiting short positions in these stocks. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets were mixed as of yesterday. Dow Jones was down by 0.29%, S&P 500 down by 0.14%, Nasdaq was up by 0.04%, Canadian markets down up by 0.21%, Mexico was down by 0.14%, Brazil down by 0.48%, Chile down by 0.64%. The European markets were somewhat mixed as of yesterday. England was up by 0.75%, Europe down by 0.32%, France down by 0.35%, Germany up by 0.34%, and Switzerland down by 0.33%. Asian markets were also somewhat mixed as of today. Japan was down by 0.4%. Hong Kong markets were marginally down by about 0.03%. Chinese markets up by 0.09%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was up by 0.36 and 0.18% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was almost the same, with a change of 1 point, which is about 0.01%. If this is to give any indication, the market should open at around the same range and probably be range bound. Let's see how the markets evolve today. With regards to income tax filing, the last date for filing the income tax returns is 31st August 2018. The Income Tax Department has announced that there is a late filing penalty of ₹5,000 for people who do not file their income tax returns before the 31st of August 2018 deadline. If you're a trader and if you have made losses, it is even more important that you file your income tax returns before the deadline, because only then you will qualify to offset these losses against profits that you make in the future years. If you need any help with filing your income tax returns, please call 8095-308-555. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.